Hello everyone. Let's talk about English tenses, but we're going to focus on simple present. We have verb to work. I work, you work. He, she, it works. We work, you work, they work. Mu congereza turafise amaprono personnel I, you, he, she, it, we, yeah, you, they. Turafise you kuri tu na vous. Hose in English we have you. Yigarukanye kubera benshi mu bankurikira tumenyereye gukoresha conjugate z'icongereza dukunda kuzibona ubundi aho umuntu yari gukoresha imwe you, tu and vous zose ni you. Hanyuma troisième personne du singulier turafise he, she, he zerekana abantu, him genre masculine, she genre féminin, it zerekana ibintu, animals, things, yeah. Concerning how to conjugate in simple present, it is easy to see. We have I, you, they work. Murabona nta kintu na kimwe twongerako ni sujet plus ya verb dukurako tu gusa. Ahantu bihinduka honyene ni kuri troisième personne du singulier dushirako s. She works, he works, she works, it works. Yeah. Okay, ahantu tubonye bihinduka twabonye ko ari kuri troisième personne du singulier. And we have rules. Yeah. In general we add s. En général twongerako s kuri troisième personne du singulier. Kuma verbe nka yose. See, to listen, to hear, to speak, to walk, to come, to turn, to bend, to burn, to bring, to hate, to live, to like, love, n'izindi nyinshi. He speaks English very well. My dog hates visitors. Yeah. Murabona munsi turafise izindi verb twongerako es. Verbs ziherezwa n'izo ndome mubona. Yeah. We have, for instance, verb to miss, to kiss, to fix, to switch, to wish, to do, to guess, to search, to crush, to better, to mix, to relax, and others. Yeah. Izinye twongerako es. We have examples. She kisses him goodbye. Tom fixes the wire. He switches his phone. The plane crashes as a result of bad weather. The president vetoes the bill. Yeah. None turafise izindi verbs twongerako ies. Yeah. Izi ni verbs ziherezwa na y consonant plus y. Ico dukurako iyo y tugasha dushirako ies. Yeah. ies mu Gifaransa. Yeah. Notez bien, si amaverbe aherezwa na y gusa ahubwo ni amaverbe aherezwa na consonne plus y. Yeah. Apana voyelle plus y. We remove y and add ies. We have verbs like cry, try, supply, copy, imply, deny, tie, bury, spy, hurry, study. Yeah. Examples. The baby cries all the time. The company supplies the necessary materials. Yeah. Murabona dukurako y tugashirako es. Yeah. We have exceptions to have. I have, you have, he, she, it has, we have. You have, they have. We have example, he has 3 children. We have auxiliary be. I am, you are. He, she, it is. We are, you are, they are. She's 10 years old. We have models. Models ni tumeze nk'utuverb ariko tuza imbere ya verbe principal. Yeah. Turafise can, and then turavuga I can, you can, he, she, it can, we can, you can, they can. Murabona yuko ngaha kuri he, she, it nta s ijako, tukigumiza uko nyene can, donc no exception. He can carry 50 kilograms. Okay, we have exercises. Put the verbs between brackets in simple present. Wogerageza ugakora tukajana, hanyuma tukaja kuraba yuko twabitoye. Yeah. We have he, the road slowly to cross. Tom, English to teach. Her mother, juice to buy. She, did the exercise, can. A dog and a cat, animals to be. And eggs to fry. He, his teeth every day to brush. Okay, let's check the answers. Okay, this is the end. Thanks.